Hello viewers, today another good news for Nokia smartphone lover. Let's now know its features. Nokia 11 Ultra 5G. Nokia 11 Ultra smartphone coming 6.9-inch large display with a 4K resolution. This mobile 7200 mAh battery powers it and it supports 65 quick charging. Quad 200 MP plus 32 MP plus 60 MP plus 5 MP camera rear lens and a 64 MP selfie camera with flashlight. Latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 880 plus chipset as the processor. 8GB 12GB of RAM and 256GB 512GB of ROM, expandable up to 1TB via microSD. Nokia 11 Ultra 5G mobile contains the latest Android 12 version. Nokia smartphone 11 Ultra released on 8th of December 2021, or it may be late for company issues. The Nokia 11 Ultra 5G price started from $6,060, which is the 47,990 rupees. The country which price is different. Thanks for watching this video.